Hey everybody, Boomhauer69 here, and today Boomhauer is going to make the classic, ever so popular s'mores, but I'm going to make them a little different. Now everybody knows the classic s'mores, you know, you get your campfire going, you know, whether you're using like me a barbecue, a charcoal grill or a fire pit, whatever, and you put your little marshmallow on a poker and you melt it and then you put it between a piece of Hershey's milk chocolate and graham crackers. Well, I'm going to show you a way I like to make s'mores, an idea I came up with and thought, oh, this would be a great way to make s'mores. And I'm going to try it out for the first time and see how it tastes and stuff. And it's basically adding a twist onto the classic s'mores. But first, before anything, we gotta make the poker to roast the marshmallows. This is what you use to roast marshmallows, not those silly metal ones. Now, let's get this fire going. Now, the secret ingredient I'll be using is simply chocolate graham crackers to give it that nice chocolatey flavoring. Basic standard old generic store brand s'mores. These are also store brand generic chocolate quick graham crackers. If you want to know where you can get these, if you have a Meijer store in your area, right up top there it says Meijer. If you have a Meijer store in your area, you can get these, but these are store brand, and the store I shop at is Meijer's, and this is their brand of crackers. But the secret ingredient that I thought would make a s'more even better than just using standard old Hershey's milk chocolate like everybody else does is, I noticed in the candy section at the Meijer store, they had these Reese's peanut butter bars. Now, I thought these would be great to use for making a s'more instead of just using standard old Hershey's milk chocolate. So if you're ever in Walmart or Meijer's or any department store that has a candy section, look for these and stuff. And so that's what I'm going to try out today, along with the chocolate, to give it that. So basically making a peanut butter s'more is what business is. I'm going to open up the chocolate here and show you what it looks like on Reese's bars, but here's what they look like. Now, I believe this is the first time I ever had these, so yep, got that chocolatey peanut butter smell just like a Reese's peanut butter cup and stuff. So without further ado, I'll show you the whole bar here. See if I can't get this out without breaking it. But here's what the whole bar looks like. So without further ado, I'm gonna cut about 4 little squares here. That's what you need. Now let's get to open up a graham cracker. Get everything up so we can. Now here's what the graham crackers look like. Your standard old graham crackers, but chocolate flavored. Let's open these bad boys up, and hopefully we get a good one. There ain't too. That's one thing I hate about graham crackers, is they break real easy. So sometimes I'm just like, we got a good one there. So let's open up the marshmallows here. Let's get roasting a marshmallow. Put her on our poker. And start roasting. Get a little charred there. Oh, got the other side. There. That's what I like to make. You can make yours however you want. I know in the comment section people are going to say, that's not how you make a marshmallow. Well, that's how I make it. We're going to give this a try. Here's what it looks like, all complete. But here's what the inside of the Reese's peanut butter bars look like. So let's give this a try. Now that is good. The only thing I notice, if you're somebody that likes kind of a marshmallowy flavor and stuff, I would suggest maybe adding 2 marshmallows, because the peanut butter is really overpowering of all the chocolate and the other flavors, so keep that in mind when you're eating that. Oh, that is good. But there's my take on what I would do with a making a s'more this season around the fire pit and stuff. I would simply get these instead of just regular Hershey's milk chocolate, and if you can find them, chocolate graham crackers is what I would simply go for. But here's how I would make a s'more. If you like this sort of content, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching Boomhauer 69 channel, and I'm going to continue to make more of these s'mores. I'm going to have me a couple more because I'm a big guy. So hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching Boomhauer 69's YouTube channel.